Welcome guys to Andrew's Technology. This is Computer Tips and Tricks channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any picture. This is a picture which I'm going to be using. This is the picture I'm going to use. I'm going to remove the background of this picture and I reset any background that I need. Guys, stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share and spread the word. And guys, let's get started. This is the picture I'm going to use. I will simply come to Format tab, and the Format tab will open the Format ribbon. After opening the Format ribbon, I come here to color icon and I first set the transparent color. After setting the transparent color, I will come here to remove background. Moving background, I will just reset the size of the photo. I will reset the size of the picture. You see, after setting the size of the picture, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to mark areas to remove. You see here there is plus mark, minus mark, plus cross mark, discard all changes, keep changes, but from now I'm going to use this mark areas to remove. I'm going to mark areas which I don't need on this picture, which is also the background of this picture. See guys, as I scroll across, the machine marks the areas which I don't need. You see from here you can here you need to mark also areas to keep at the top of the head and the hair. Mark areas to keep. I just come here and draw a small line and I mark that I need this area. After finishing marking areas that I don't need, I will come here on this icon, keep all changes, on this V icon, and I keep changes. After keeping the changes, guys, you see the background of my picture has been removed. I think guys you have picked something, but from here I'm going to show you how you can also edit the background of your picture, how you can also change the background of your picture, and you set the any color that you could wish. You first select, as I have told you, you come on this home tab and you click on this shape fill, and you select the color that you need. Maybe let's say I need this brown color. No, I need this green color. Yes, you see guys, the background of my picture has been totally edited and removed, and now I have the new background of my picture. See guys, it's truly amazing, it's truly simple. You can create any picture you need, you can edit any picture you need, you can edit any background of the picture you need, and you will set any color, or you make your own passport photo by using any color that you could need. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the Andrew's Tech channel. Subscribe for more videos, like and share and spread the word. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.